Lifted. Oh god! What the? Oh no god! What the hell? Oh no. Quick. This is no good. I'm joining him.
This is an emergency broadcast. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Department of Defense. Due to recent circumstances, the President of the United States has initiated a nationwide shutdown. Please listen carefully. The following instructions are vital for your safety.
Oh my god. Do not look at the moon. Stay inside. Don't look at the night sky. Space away from our windows. Avoid mirrors. Do not look up.
Remain calm. Close and secure all possible entrances to your home. Switch off all lights in your home, including candles and natural light sources. Gather any food or supplies you have. Do not look outside any windows. Do not respond to any knocks on doors or windows until the all clear is given. Remain silent at all times, and avoid noise whenever possible. Use whispering if communication is necessary. Do not attempt to interact with anyone outside of your home, nor should you investigate any noises that can be heard from outside of your home. Do not investigate unexplained light outside of your home. If you see any unidentified figure, either in plain sight or from the corners of your eyes, do not investigate. Do not look up at the ceiling. Remember to remain calm at all times. Should any member of your family go missing, do not attempt to search for them. Do not use telecommunication devices of any sort. Any emergency services will not be available until the emergency is over. Continue following these instructions until an all clear is given. The all clear will be given when the emergency has been outlasted. This broadcast will now repeat. Please await further instructions.
If you are afraid, we will look together.